shit to the word that you're the bad one, you was being bad. That use all my love, use all my time, use all my heart. You begging me to come out with you.
Come unbox with me. So to start off, the packaging was the cutest. This is the Logitech Pop Keys mechanical keyboard, and it also came with the Pop mouse, which are both Bluetooth enabled. I was obsessed as soon as I started unboxing, but once I set up, I became even more because I was able to customize these side buttons to fit any emojis I would want them to link to. This is me using them, and I honestly fell in love with how it fit into my desk setup. I was honestly so impressed with the quality.